here factors affecting liquid pressure. For first of all, liquid pressure is given by P is equal to H rho G, where H is the depth of the liquid, rho is the density of the liquid, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So what are the factors that affect the liquid pressure? Number one is depth. The depth of the point below the liquid surface, Secondly, density of the liquid, that is H. Density of the liquid, that is rho. Third one is the acceleration due to gravity. Gravity G. So these are the factors, these are the three factors that affect the liquid pressure. Now the laws of the liquid pressure, or you can say properties of the liquid pressure. There are some properties of the liquid pressure. Let's discuss about that. Properties of liquid pressure. What are that properties? First, listen how the liquid pressure depends on the depth of the point below the earth surface. When the depth of the point below the surface of the liquid increases, from this relation we can relate that pressure is directly proportional to the depth of the liquid H. When depth of the liquid from the free surface increases, then the pressure also goes on increasing, because the point above in the liquid, there is large mass of the liquid above that point, and that large mass of the liquid exerts more weight, exerts more pressure, or you can say more force on that point in the liquid, inside the liquid, or below the surface of the liquid, the point that is lie below the surface of the liquid. So as the mass of the liquid above the point inside the liquid surface, inside the liquid, increases, means height increases, you can say depth of the liquid from the its surface, free surface, then pressure also increases, and vice versa. Density means higher the density of the liquid, more the pressure exerted by the liquid. Means mercury has a high pressure than the high density than the water, so mercury exerts more pressure than the water. Now acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is directly related to pressure. As the acceleration due to gravity of a certain place increases, means when we go to the sea levels, the acceleration towards the sea level, the acceleration due to gravity increases, and the pressure of the liquid also increases. and when we come to the mountain region, the acceleration due to gravity decreases. Simple example is that when we are we have kept a bucket under the tap, then the on the first floor, then the tap, then the bucket fills slowly, and the top floor on the top floor than on the ground floor, because the acceleration due to gravity from the earth's surface, means from the ground floor, is lower at on the top floor of a building. So pressure of the liquid is less at top floor than at ground floor, hence the bucket feels slower at the top floor than at ground floor. That is one example. So now let's move to properties of the liquid pressure. Number one is, can you see here? The liquid pressure is directly proportional to the liquid pressure is directly proportional to the depth from the free surface of the liquid. Second one, the pressure at the same depth in a liquid is the same in all direction, It means, suppose there is a point in the liquid, inside the liquid, under the surface of the liquid, and at that point the pressure exerted by the liquid in all direction is same, it does not differ. Did you get here? So what I told you, that suppose free surface of the water is this, and here a point below the surface of the water, and at that point below the surface of the water, or you can say liquid, the pressure exerted by the liquid at that point is equal, is same, you can say is same in all direction at that point. Third one, the pressure of the liquid is directly proportional to directly proportional to the density of the liquid. Each liquid have their own densities. सबै लिक्विड के हुन्छ आफ्नो डेन्सिटी हुन्छ हैन. Higher the density of the given liquid, more the pressure exerted by that liquid. Fourth one, the liquid determines its own level. The liquid determines its own level. लिक्विडले चाहिँ आफ्नो लेभल आफैले मेन्टेन गर्छ हैन, its own level. Suppose two bottles having some water in it are connected by the some waters, means one has more water and another has less waters, then and it is connected by a pipe such that the water can flows from a bottle having higher level of water to bottle having lower level of water, means less water, and the water continues to flow until the level of the water in each bottle becomes equal, and that means this means liquid determines its own level. The pressure of the liquid is pressure of the liquid is independent of liquid is independent independent of the shape of the container or vessel in which liquid is kept भनेको जुन लिक्विडलाई जुन भाँडोमा हामी राख्छौँ त्यो भाँडोको सेपमा लिक्विडको प्रेसर डिपेन्ड गर्दैन हैन. वाट एभर द सेप अफ द कन्टेनर or the vessel in which that liquid is kept, the pressure of the liquid does not depend on the shape of the container or the vessel in which the liquid is kept. And the pressure given, last one, the pressure given to any closed vessel any enclosed liquid is distributed equally in all direction. It means, suppose a liquid is kept in a closed container or the vessel, and when you press the vessel in which the liquid is kept, the liquid transmit that pressure exerted by you in all direction perpendicularly and equally. अनि त्यो लिक्विडले बन्द भाँडोमा भएको लिक्विड हामी प्रेस गर्यो भने त्यो लिक्विडले हामीले लगाएको प्रेसरलाई चारै डाइरेक्सनमा चारैतिर हैन इक्वली र नर्मली ट्रान्समिट गर्छ. द्याट इज द 6th point. Okay.